Nitrogen cycle. In atmosphere, more than 78% of nitrogen gas is present in the form of molecular nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen convert into nitrate, nitrite ions. Atmospheric nitrogen is also called molecular nitrogen. It convert into nitrate, nitrite ions. These are convert into proteins. These are convert into proteins, ammonia, and proteins convert into ammonia. Ammonia convert into nitric acid or nitrate acids. Molecular nitrogen convert into ammonia. Ammonia convert into proteins. Proteins convert into nitrite, nitrate oxides. These are again convert into nitrogen, molecular nitrogen. It is the nitrogen cycle. All nitrogen compounds are turned into molecular nitrogen is called nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle containing mainly 4 steps. One is nitrogen fixation. It is nitrogen fixation. Second one is ammonification or assimilation. Ammonification and assimilation. Third one is nitrification. Fourth one is denitrification. Nitrogen cycle containing mainly 4 major steps. One is nitrogen fixation. Second one is ammonification and assimilation. Third one is nitrification. Fourth one is denitrification. Nitrogen fixation is the first step. Molecular nitrogen or atmospheric nitrogen convert into nitrate or nitrite ions by the biological or physical methods. The modified nitrate, nitrite ions are utilized by plants to prepare ammonia. The ammonia is present in the plant pots. The ammonia helps in the synthesis of proteins in the plant pots. That proteins or that ammonia containing proteins are consumed by plants is called ammonia assimilation. In plants, that protein containing ammonia utilized by the animals is called ammonia assimilation. Ammonia ammonification in the animals to synthesize proteins containing ammonia. This process is called ammonification and assimilation. Nitrogen fixation after ammonia is formed in the plant body. The nitrogen fixation after ammonia present in the plant body, that ammonia utilized by plant cells is called ammonia assimilation. That ammonia utilized by animals is called ammonia ammonification. By these two reactions, proteins are synthesized in the animals and in the plants. That proteins are convert into nitrogen trioxide, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxide or nitrate oxide. This process is called nitrification. After formation of nitrification, nitric oxides are convert into nitrogen gas in presence of denitrification reactions. Molecular nitrogen convert into nitric oxide, nitrate oxides. That nitric oxide, nitrate oxides are modified into ammonia in presence of nitrogen fixation with the help of symbiotic, non-symbiotic bacteria or non-symbiotic living organisms. The conversion of ammonia utilized by plants called ammonia assimilation, utilized by ammonia assimilation. And the conversion of ammonia utilized by animals called ammonia ammonification. After utilizing of these ammonia, plants and animals are synthesized proteins in their plant bodies, in their animal bodies. After completion of life cycle, the plants and animals containing proteins, the dead bodies are containing ammonia. That ammonia convert into nitric oxide or nitrate oxide in presence of nitrification reactions with the help of soil bacteria. The nitric oxide or nitrate oxides are converted into denitrifying by the denitrification in presence of soil bacteria. The molecular nitrogen released into the environment called nitrogen cycle. The nitrification reactions, mainly here it is the nitrification reaction done by the two major microorganisms, Nitromonas, Nitrobacter. Nitromonas, Nitrobacters are involved in these nitrification reactions.